Hello, good evening, and welcome to Bell CB. Today's radio is the Cobra 29LTD Classic. It's for Dean in Michigan, and it's a tune-up report with an RFX 75 on it. Dean, on this watt meter, I have 30 watts across the bottom scale. 30 watts across the bottom scale. We're coming in at about 17. 100 watts bottom scale again. There's 100 and there's 80.
Audio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check.
I'm gonna put it on the air.
Hello, Channel 19. Everybody tell me how my radio sounds this evening. Does it sound good? Am I getting out? Come on.
Well, it sounded good here in Central Kansas.
10-4 in the Central Kansas. We sounded mighty fine right down here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, Roger.